Okay, we're moving into the Gilded Age this week. We more or less closed out our little review of economic things and civil rights legislation, that sort of thing, left over from the Reconstruction era. Now we're going to talk about the Gilded Age. We'll talk about why it's called the Gilded Age. We'll talk about social aspects, economic aspects, big industry, the growth of big industry, and that sort of thing. We'll try and get that done in week 2. We may have a little bit of run over into week 3. As usual, you'll have the same categories inside the week 2 entry. We'll have week 2 readings, which you should do carefully. The week 2 lecture materials, if you want to look at that. There'll be a week 2 quiz, which will pop up at the beginning of the week. It should be there now for you. And also, I added an attachment in here with a copy of Mark Twain's political satire called To the Person Sitting in Darkness. It's actually next week's reading, but if I were you, I'd get started with it over the weekend. It's pretty interesting, but it takes a little bit of thought to answer the questions on the quiz that's associated with that, on quiz 3. So that's what we'll be doing this week, and maybe we'll even get a head start on next week.